everybody. Today we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. It is the practice problem 6.2 and we are asked to determine the current through the capacitor. And this is the question. If a 10 microfarad capacitor is connected to a voltage source with V of t which is equal to 75 sine of 2000 T volts, determine the current through the capacitor. So the answer is given since it's a practice problem. Okay, let's try to solve the problem. So what's the question? We are asked to find the current through the capacitor. So what are all given? The capacitance value is given. It's given as 10 microfarad. Supply voltage is given as 75 sine 2000 T volts. Okay, so the formula is I is equal to C into dV by dt. So this is fourth formula and it just requires the substitution since we know the value of the capacitance and the voltage, but the differentiation is needed here. Okay, so the capacitance values C is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 6 because it is microfarad, 10 microfarad, and d by dt of this voltage is given 75 sine 2000 t. Okay, how to differentiate? So for sine of 2000 t, it is cos of 2000 t into 2000. 75 is the constant value. It is 10 power minus 6 into 150000 into cos of 2000 t. So it's equal to 1.5 into cos of 2000 t amps because it is current. Okay, so this is the required answer. Hope you have understood. Thank you.